Welcome back to my channel. So, as promised, we've got a review, an unboxing review of this, the Topdon JS 3000. So this is Topdon's biggest top-end mobile vehicle jump starter. So this is a box it comes in, as you can see. Topdon JS 3000, and a picture of the device. When you turn it over, you look on here, it will jump start up to 9 litre petrol and 7 litre diesel engines. It's got 24,000 milliamp hours and it will crank the engine within seconds. It does trucks, SUVs, cars, boats. 7 safety protections, short circuit protection, reverse polarity in case you put the leads on the wrong way around, it will sort that for you. Over temperature protection, so if it overheats because you've used it too much, it'll stop you doing that. Over voltage, same thing, it won't allow too much voltage, won't allow too much current. Reverse charge protection and over discharge protection. So those are all nice features. It comes with 7 safety protection measures. DC output, so you can put in your sat nav, you can put in a car vacuum cleaner, air purifier, tyre inflator, it tells you there other things. It also acts as a power bank, so instead of just being a vehicle jump starter, you can quickly charge your mobile phone from 0 to 80% in 30 minutes. So it acts as a power bank as well with USB-C, and it's got an LED light. It does 3 functions: flashlight, SOS or strobe. And you've got the contact Topdon down here, you can see that. So that's the box it comes in, and inside you have this. So it's a hard shell, very nice. Comes in this case, lovely little case to carry it. It's got a zip round the side. When you open it up, this is what you're met with. So you've got the device down here, and then this little flap cover things, and on the top you have these. So these are your jump leads. They come with this here, some nice little copper connections. The leads themselves, they seem very good quality. These are actually quite hard to use. They're quite tight, so they're very well made. They've got a lot of grip, so they're going to grip onto your battery terminals really good. They're fantastic quality, these, really good quality. I mean, they're pretty hard to open, which is good. It means they take a nice snug bite, a nice good fit. You know, they're copper all throughout there, very nice. Big, it's got a big spring at the back here, as you can see, and it's connected in just down there, and it's all copper. So, you know, these are definitely not cheap. You know, they're very good quality, good teeth on them. They look very good. So that's those in here. Along with it, we have a user's manual. So that takes you through everything, from your warranty, as you can see on there, you've got a 1-year warranty, specifications, how to use it, how to set it up, what all the functions do, how to recharge it, how to charge your phone. It's got everything in there. It's a really handy little book. So that comes with it as well. Then you've got these 2 items: charger and charging cable. So charging cable is USB-C on one side and normal USB on the other side. So this charging block, that's fine, and then you have the actual item itself. Now this is what it's all about. So this is a Topdon JS 3000 charging brick. So it's got a light on this side, name of the device, very simple to use. So you plug these here. So what happens is these plug in to here, top of the device. They plug in like that, and then you can plug it straight into battery. You don't even need to power it on. It's got a power button, but you don't need to power it on. Plug it into battery and these will light up. If these light up when you put it onto a battery, that tells you that you can use this without the boost charge function to charge a battery. So if you turn it on, as you can see, tells you that this one is 100% full. Now I have used this, and I will do a review of it being used on a vehicle, hopefully on Sunday, but that just tells you it's 100% full just now. It's ready to go. This button is a boost, so if you plug it in, no lights come on here, you can press this button, and what it does is it puts a surge of power into the battery and allows you to start the vehicle, and it does work. Now, I haven't used this on my own vehicles, but I gave a shot of it to a friend. The friend had a work vehicle, hasn't moved in 6 months. Work vehicle battery was completely flat, nothing showed up here. One press of this button, this light came on, and the vehicle started first turn of the key. Fantastic, worked brilliantly. This little light here, so hold it, as you can see, it works perfectly. So it's one function. So that was one function of the light. So when you hold down this button, the light comes on like that. Hold it again, the light will strobe. Hold it again, and the light will do SOS, as you can see. So again, fantastic help, especially if you're working around a car at night trying to find the battery terminals, anything like that. So these top ones here, these ones here are for your connections. So just let me pause for a second and I'll show you what they do. So if you look at these, one side, if you can see the top of these here, it's flat. The other side here is not, it's rounded. So they can only go in one way. Okay. So, and that is how it looks. So this is now ready to go. So I could hook this up to a vehicle right now, ready to go. So these go in here, they can only go in one way. I showed you the flat part of the connector on here. There's a flat part of the connector in here, only goes in one way, it locks in. On this side, you have your DC connection and USB. So again, you can use this for mini fridges, you can use it for tyre inflators, you can use it for any number of things. That sort of output, you've got USB here, and then at the bottom of the device you have got USB-C in here and USB. So with those, this is where you can fast charge your mobile phone, you can do any number of things from that little USB-C device just right there. So very handy for that. So it does so much, this little device. On the back of it you have a hook here, so you can hook it, you can put it onto your car bonnet or whatever you're doing, and you've got this as well. So this allows it to sit like that. So it's a little kickstand behind it, so you can have it sitting up if you want your flashlight pointed up, or if you just want it sitting on your workbench, if you want it sitting in your car, you've got a place to put it. Got all that to do. It's got a rugged outer shell, it feels really good. It's got a little carry handle here. Carry handle's fantastic. I mean, there's not a lot of weight to this thing, but I mean, it does say on the book that it'll do 49 recharges, and in all honesty, I would believe that, definitely. Now, as I said, you can only put this in one way. If you look on here, this connection here on this side has a flat end to match. Flat end on there, so you can't mess up. Red goes to your live terminal, black goes to your earth or your ground terminal. And always remember, on some vehicles the batteries are in the boot, so they'll have connectors under the bonnet. Sometimes it can be onto a bolt, sometimes they can have connectors, it just depends on the vehicle, but that's where they go. So overall, I mean, this is a fantastic little item. It does everything it needs to do, and I know it works 100% because, as I say, I put this on a vehicle that hadn't moved in 6 months, nothing in the battery, pressed the boost button and it worked first time. So I'm going to deliberately leave the lights on in my car on Sunday. I'm going to show you the battery being dead, I'm going to put this on, and I'm going to show you it jump starting the car. So I'm going to do that on Sunday. For all you guys out there that aren't sure about this, aren't sure if it works, I'm going to show you how it works. I will show you the car physically not starting with the key. I'll leave the lights on for 2 or 3 hours, go back out, make sure the battery's dead, stick this on, show you it jumping it. So I hope that helps. If you go on the Topdon website, tells you all the information you need to know about these. They do 3 different ones. I believe they do a 1200, a 2000 and a 3000, I believe. This is the highest end one. This is a 3000. They're different prices. I bought this one on Amazon for £149. Fantastic. I'll never need to buy another one. It's a brilliant piece of item. Comes in the hard shell case, so well made. These things are so good quality. This is top, really top stuff. I mean, I can't speak more highly of it. From what it's been required for so far, it's brilliant. Even if you go camping, take one of these with you, because if you go camping, you've got power. Go fishing, anything like that, you can take this with you. It'll be a fantastic thing. I keep it in my car under the seat in case I need anything. I can take it to work. I can do so many things with this. It's a really, really good item, and believe me, it's got a lot of power. So the good thing is as well, you get the Topdon customer service, which in my opinion is the best in the industry. There is no better than Topdon customer service. It is fantastic. Topdon have user groups on Facebook where they have people that will interact with you that work for Topdon, and they interact with everyone that puts a comment up. That is how good they are for their customer service. It's the same with, if you contact them via email, they will reply to you. They've never not replied to me. If you have any issues, they will fix it. You get all that with any item you buy from Topdon. So I recommend all of their items. They're fantastic. So this, I paid for this item. I wasn't given this item. I bought this with my own money, £149. Love it. Think it's excellent. Keep it in this little case, and as I say, it's your best friend if you've got a dodgy battery in your car. I also recommend, to go with this, Topdon do a battery tester, which will tell you if you've got a dodgy battery. So if you've got a dodgy battery like I do, then, you know, battery tester will tell you if you need one of these. And this can be a lifesaver in so many situations. So please like, subscribe and share my channel. And as I say, on Sunday, I will show you this physically working. I'll put it all together. I'm hoping to also do a review on Sunday of the Ansell smoke tester, because I believe I've got a leak in my Volvo. So I'm going to do that. But for just now, this and everything you get with it, I really can't promote this enough. You get other makes, Noco and stuff like that, but this one, in my opinion, is the best you can buy for the money. It's a fantastic piece of kit. So if you get a chance, have a look at the Topdon, go on their website, have a look at this, have a look at all the other stuff they do. They're fantastic. Please, again, like, subscribe and share my channel, because I do this as a hobby, and the more people like my channel, the more I'm going to do.